Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to rename a text file on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file we may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. And then let's navigate to OneDrive. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to Admin, My Files. Click on this and now let's navigate into the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. Within this folder, we should have some content, whether it's a text file, an image, a document, or a video. We are primarily focusing on the text file, which is called hello.txt. Click on the top right corner. And now if we go to the top toolbar where it says rename, click on this. We should then have a prompt on screen that opens up and allows us to rename the text file. So I'm going to remove hello and change this to file 1.txt. Click on rename. And we can now see that the changes have been made in real time. If I were to, let's just say, click on the file, which will open up, we can now see that the file itself has been renamed to file1.txt. That's fine. We can now close Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.